Okay, I gotta ask, what made you choose Alvis? As a TMS, you guys are such like a forward-thinking, visionary logistics business, a set of logistics businesses. Why did you choose Alvis? Was there a problem you were looking to solve that you thought Alvis would solve better?
Yes, that's a great question. So it's a few reasons. One, we branched off and blew up across North America. So we got 12 locations across the country, and we're in Mexico. We do a lot of cross-border work. We do a lot of international transportation. We got drayage partners. We've got final mile partners in Mexico, et cetera. And what we realized was that most robust TMS platforms were designed for team transit, and they were designed for brokerages. And we were asset based, and we wanted to be able to create a technology that was modernized, that didn't have all of these fossilized programming problems, right? Where you built a stack on top of a stack, logic on top of logic, and now you had a giant mess to unravel. Alvis was unique in that it was modern. It was heavily involved in artificial intelligence and state-of-the-art technologies, like the latest models of technologies. It was all cloud-based, and it would bolt on or API with pretty much anybody. So we looked at the longevity of that. We looked at what could we jump on that would do it. And although we were already thinking, we had gone through a few TMS platforms. I won't say the names because I don't want those guys to sue us either. They were cumbersome. They were extremely expensive, but they didn't offer the punch, right? They were just the market share leader because they'd been there for a very long time. But we knew if we were going to be in this dynamic world where we needed to enhance AI optimization into all of our technologies, right? From our recruiting strategies to our engineering development to our utilization, visualization dashboards, our ERP systems. I'm thinking 10 years ahead. I need to have something that's robust enough and versatile enough to be able to, or agile enough to be able to engage all of these different elements from a technical perspective. So we had made a decision that Alvis was one of the two companies that we were gonna close with. And what tipped the scales is I finally got to meet your CEO. And when I met the founder, I met him, and he's a wonderful man. And we hit it off. He saw something different in me. I saw something different in him. I think that we were both chasing something, and I could see that he was a true visionary. Most investors in Wall Street, if you believe this or not, only the kids go out there and play the algorithms to tell them where they should bid. The guys that have been highly successful, they look at who the company makeup is that's actually developing something. And if they believe in that guy or that girl, well, then all of a sudden they're like, you know what? I think this business is going to expand and grow and exceed expectations. So I believed in your founder. As soon as I saw him, we talked. We had a technical conversation and we had a spiritual one. And I just thought he was a fantastic human being. And if I'm going to do business with somebody, it has to be somebody who's got like a like mind. And not to say that they have to believe the exact same things I believe. That's not what I mean. I mean, they got to be trying to improve and help people, right? And that was it. That was a closer. I knew that if I got into a bind, that I had a partner that I could reach out to in good faith and say, hey, brother, I'm stuck here. We're trying to develop this. Is there an enhancement we could work with? And that he would collaborate to be able to achieve that goal. I think that's what makes you guys unique. That's why you're exploding on the scene.